Here we have a GRE question dealing with parabolas and quadratics. So they are asking you to indicate all x-intercepts for the following equation. We have y is equal to 2x squared minus 8x minus 90. Now, you might want to just kind of dive right in. My first suggestion would be to factor out a 2, since they're all even numbers, so that we are solving for a more simple problem. So that would leave us with y 2x squared minus 4x minus 45. And so now we're going to go ahead and factor x squared minus 4x minus 45. So again, looking at our b term and our c term, we have negatives in both areas. That indicates a sign change between the two factors. So we know that the signs are going to be a plus and a minus because a positive times a negative would give you the negative. Our b term lets us know that the larger of the two factors is going to go with the negative, since that's what's remaining. So we can take the x squared and go ahead and divvy that up, giving us x and x in both of the factors. And then we want to think of the factors of negative 45 that then give you negative 4. So factors of 45, 5, and 9. Because it's a negative left over, our 9 needs to go with the negative, and our 5 with the positive. And remember, this has that 2 on the outside, and that's equal to y. So when we're solving for the x-intercepts, we're then going to set this equal to 0 to solve. So we'll just do the 2 in the first one. We have this equal to x plus 5. If we divide the 2 out from both sides, that cancels this out. We're left with 0 being equal to x plus 5. So we subtract 5 from both sides. That leaves us with x is equal to negative 5. So notice whenever we solve for the factors, we actually look for the solutions. The solution is going to be whatever you have as your factor with the opposite sign. That allows us to very quickly jump ahead for the second factor, where we will then be able to identify that x is equal to positive 9. And therefore, the solution to this problem is x is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to positive 9.